Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make Jamaican pumpkin punch, another classic in Jamaica. But before I jump into it, I would like to bless you with a scripture. It is taken from John 3 verse 30. He must become greater, I must become less. Remember to make Christ greater in your life. All right, so these are the ingredients. Now we have some cinnamon right here. We also have some cinnamon sticks as well, and we'll be using some nutmeg. We'll also be using some condensed milk. Remember to wash your tin. We will be also using pumpkin spice. We're going to use some Guinness. Now this is optional. Normally in Jamaica they would use dragon, and I couldn't find dragon, so I'm going to use my Guinness. And I'm going to use some supplegen, and I'm going to also use, this is a star of the show, the pumpkin. This is a pumpkin that I got from the international market. It looks very different from the Jamaican pumpkin, especially the skin of the pumpkin. All right, stay tuned. All right guys, so I'm going to proceed to take the skin off my pumpkin. Be extremely careful. You need to get all the skin off. All right guys, you're gonna put your cinnamon sticks in, and then you're gonna put your pumpkin in. You're gonna allow this to boil for about 10 minutes until it is soft. All right guys, after cooking for 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna transfer this to my blender. All right guys, so this is what it looks like in the blender. I transferred it to the blender, and I'm gonna just blend. All right guys, so I'm gonna pour my pumpkin contents to my dish right here. Still hot. Can you see that heat? And then we're gonna actually put the ingredients in. I'm gonna put a little bit of Guinness. I'm used to my dragon. I'm gonna put a little bit of Guinness in it. Not much, guys. Not much. Then I'm gonna mix well. I'm gonna add my supplegen, and I'm not gonna add the entire supplegen, no. I don't think I want the entire thing. Oh shoot. Maybe the entire thing. No, not the entire content. So about half of it again. Then we're gonna add some nutmeg. Like so. Then I'm gonna add my cinnamon. Then I'm gonna add my pumpkin spice. Then I'm going to go in with my condensed milk. Not much. I don't want a lot of condensed milk. Not at all. I don't want it to be too sweet. So I'm just gonna add maybe like a spoon. Like so. That's it. And guys, that's how you make Jamaican pumpkin punch. If you want to add a little bit of vanilla extract, you can also do so. Thank you for watching, guys. And there you have it, guys, the Jamaican pumpkin punch. See you in my next video.